Hey guys, I'm about to do homework and I my oh shoot, so don't mind that, please. But I hate homework of the year so yeah, so I need this, which is my math notebook. My math notebook. I have to write down notes, and then I have my tablet, the Apple one. I have to pick my background. So can't show you the password. Well, I can show you the password. Hi, I'm about to do my homework because that's what I do best. Just kidding. So I'm not gonna show you it, but it just says I'm on my Google Classroom or whatever. It says my teacher's name, homeroom, social, math, things like that. So like, yeah. So I have to do math, homeroom, and social. So yeah, and then later. So yeah, we're gonna start with um so also guys, I'm gonna put this on live chat so you guys can ask me questions. Yeah, I know. This is my charger. Okay. Guys, ask me questions down below. It's on live chat. I'm pretty sure. I'm sorry. Yeah. So I'm doing homework. So I have to first do math notes. Yeah. So I have to do math notes, and I have to do homeroom stuff, and then I have to do social. So, and this is like, look how much math things I have to do. I don't know. That's all I gotta do. That's a lot. Did you guys just see that? Whoa. That's cool. Okay. So she said do 6.8. She said I just have to watch the video. Yeah. So almost. Hi. Okay, so like I'm trying to put up this video. Okay.
Today's lesson is 6-8, estimating decimal products and quotients. So we're going to use estimation and number sense to predict the size of the decimal products and quotients. So based on our estimations, we can figure out where the decimal will go.
This is boring.
So at this point, we know that 2.4 times 1 is still 2.4. So we know this, 2.4 times 1 is still 2.4. So will 2.4 times 1.8 be greater than or less than that original 2.4? So I still have 2.4, but now instead of going times 1, I'm going times 1.8. Will my answer be bigger or smaller?
But it's homework, so like, yeah. Ask me
Your
questions down
answer
below.
should be bigger because we're multiplying by more of a number. So let's try estimating these.
Why did this pause? This is.
Smaller. 8.2.
Well, it's not working out so well. So, going back.
We now join our regularly scheduled program, already in progress. 5% off for 3 days only. Get this sofa for just $4.97, or this queen bed for just $3.88.
My calculator.
Up to 65% off for 3 days only. Get an
calculator. Guys, this is really boring. So, but I'm going live, so I'm not really that bored. So, yeah. Hi. I need to stretch this. Hi. Sorry, I look horrible right now, but like, yeah, I'm doing homework. So yeah. Going back to math. I have to do 6.9, write notes, and then I'm done. I think. Alright, stop to do that sheet. Whatever. Okay. Okay. Technically, I just have to write down facts. Okay. Or notes, or I don't know, but whatever.
So today's lesson is multiplication of decimals. Your target says I can use strategies to solve decimal multiplication problems. So this time we're actually going to multiply them. Yesterday we did estimations. Today we're going to actually multiply. So when multiplying decimals, you line up the numbers exactly like you would when you would multiply with whole numbers. Multiply totally normal, ignore those decimals.
Pause, I can write down these notes. I'll show you. I know, I'm doing my homework right now while I'm going live.
Doctor said I had the prostate of a 12-year-old.
Aiden. Aiden. The dog's nice. The dog's nice.
Look at that collar. Pink is his hand.
Lipstick color. What do you think, Mom? As repulsed as I
What?
am, it is encouraging to see a man take responsibility
Oh,
for his life and actually
Put everything back in. Do you need snack for tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right, put the container up on the thing so I can fill them up.
When was the last time he went to the doctor? This is Hooker's administration.
Hi. How many do?
That was 12 years ago. I helped TP that bastard's house.
Years ago.
Why should I try? I feel great. There's something wrong. My body will tell me. What are you, deaf?
It's not really a big deal. You just get naked, hop up on the
I'm sorry, I'm like being really quiet. I have to do homework. I only have to write down notes, and the video is like 5 more minutes long, so like, yeah.
Pills I don't need. Then tell me to lose 20 pounds. Well, I'm watching her. You're gonna get a boot in that pretty pink colon of yours.
In the
I'm older than a pet. Know this. I cannot get me. You really should love me, a baby. Grow up here.
that will tell you
Okay,
that
if it will shut you all up, I will do it.
will
You won't regret it, pal. If you get your
tell
colon checked, go to my guy.
you
Steady hand and generous with the lube.
how
That's good quality in a doctor.
how many you go no, honey, no, honey, you're in the no, that's a tablet. You looking outside now? I gotta do homework. I have to do homework, honey. I have to do homework. No, don't do that. Don't do that, Bubba. Don't do that. Okay. Hey, Nico, get out of my stuff. You can lay by me. Look. Who's that? Hey, look forward. Look. Is that you? Look. Is that you? You're so sweet sometimes. Oh, he's shoveling. My neighbor's shoveling. Okay. I need you to go on the couch so I can. Hi. How many will be a decimal Guys, I'm not a nerd. I'm so behind. So, like, I'm so behind. Okay, now go.
And then we're gonna count to see how many digits are behind the decimals in that problem. And that'll tell you how many decimals will actually go in your answer. So in this one, 3.77, there's two numbers that are in the decimal places. Times 2.8, there's one that's in the decimal place, that 8. So once I'm all done multiplying, see they multiplied it, they added up, 10556, then you figure out where the decimal goes. So I had 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimals, so I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimals. That's how you figure out where your decimal place goes. This actually ties in with our powers of 10 that we just did. So in this problem, right here, notice that 0.073, that's 1, 2, 3, 10 to the third. Then you could use multiply just like 73. Times 0.02, that's 10 to the 10, because I could jump it 2 times. That would give me the answer of 2. So when you got done, you had 146, and then we would just jump our decimal again with these two together, which is 10 to the
Hi.
5th.
This is my neighbor, guys. Well,
That's the background that you would actually do. But instead of looking at it like this, just know that it is the powers of 10, which is why we can use the
he's
shortcut,
shoveling.
and just count. So 2.1 times 4, there's a decimal, that's why my answer would be 8.4. 2.1 times 0.4, that's 2 numbers behind the decimal, so we jump in 2 times, so our answer would be 0.84. 0.21 times 0.4, I'd still get that 84, but now I have 1, 2 in the decimal, so I would jump it 1, 2, 3 times to get 0.084. So just know that you're going to be jumping your decimal. So 3.83 times 4. So we're going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 1 is 33. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. Okay, did the multiplication. Now I got to figure out what the decimal goes. I have 1, 2 numbers behind the decimals here. So 1, 2. So my answer would be 15.32. All right, 15.0 times 8. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40.
I'm right here.
8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 more
Oh,
is
wow, 3 people.
12.
Hi.
Okay, I have one number
Nico.
behind the decimal here. So I'm
Your
going to
boss.
jump in one time.
Oh, no.
120.
No. Oh, yo, no. Nico, no.
Definitely try to work ahead on these. Hit the pause button, solve them. Hit play again, see if you get the right answer.
Nico.
So multiply totally normal. Ignore the decimals. So 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2.
No.
3 times 4 is 12.
Oh, you're so
I'm
big.
going to cross out the 3, clean up the top, and put that placeholder there so that I remember when I go to the 5, now I'm in tens. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3.
My tiny puppy.
5 times 4 is 20.
Are you okay?
Add them together. So this is what are used for multiplication.
Sweetie.
Now I've got to figure out the decimal.
I just made him bang
So I've
his
got
head.
1, 2 numbers,
Are you okay?
and another one that's 3 numbers that are in the decimal places. So I have to go 1,
I'm so
2,
sorry.
3. So my answer is
Go play.
21.571 thousandths. And that should make sense because this was about 4, and this was about 5, 20. So 21 would make sense. All right, 7.07 times 3.5. All right, 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 times 7 is 35 again. Okay, clean up the top. Move over to that tens place, which is a 3. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2.